Good morning guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be really lit because this is the last day of 2019 and I want this one to be a bit special. So before we get actually started with today's video, there is something I want to tell you all. 2019 has been a great year for me guys. We've made so many tech videos, we've covered a lot of tech category products and I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos guys. That means a lot. I really love you all and I also want to thank all the brands for collaborating with me and every single one of you for watching my videos, sharing them and spreading a lot of love. I really love you all. So for that purpose what I've done is to make this today's last day a bit special for you guys. I have arranged a special giveaway in this video. So the thing is I've collaborated with Banggood and arranged a 15,000 rupees giveaway in this video guys. I'll be giving around 3 different products from Xiaomi. The total worth of these products will be costing around 15,000 rupees. To know more about this giveaway, you will have to watch this video till the end. I'll tell you about that giveaway details at a later part in the video. So coming back to today's topic, let me show you the product that we'll be checking out today. So here it is guys, you might be thinking what is it, right? This is a pocket-sized photo printer from Xiaomi. Like it's so small, compact and portable, it's only around this much, you can just throw it in your pocket and carry it anywhere. That is so awesome, right? It runs on battery and can print photos via Bluetooth from your phone anywhere on the go. And that is what we'll be checking out today. Alright then, let's get started with the video. So Xiaomi's new pocket-sized photo printer comes in this sort of compact box packing. It's a super portable wireless printer that can print photos via Bluetooth. Like seriously guys, it's a very small palm-sized printer. I can't wait to unbox and show it to you. We've got the Mi logo at the top, says this thing works with Mijia, and as you can see everything is written in Chinese. That's because it's only available in China right now and you have to import it from websites like Banggood. Talking about the features, the special thing is this mini printer doesn't require any sort of ink, so you don't have to worry about that. It uses a special thermal printing technology and along with that it also supports AR photo printing. And going to the back side, it says that this thing is compatible with Apple devices, Android devices and uses Bluetooth for printing. Well, that's it, there is nothing much written on it. And yes, by the way, along with the printer, I also bought a pack of extra printing sheets. With the printer, you only get 5 printable sheets. So if you want to print a lot of photos, you have to buy all those papers separately. We'll see that later. First, let's unbox and check out the printer. Here we go. So the printer comes nicely packed on a tray. And that's it, there is nothing else in the box. So over here, we've got a micro USB cable for charging the printer. And here it is guys, our pocket-sized photo printer from Xiaomi. Oh my god, this thing is so small. We've got something else in the tray also. Let me just show you that. We have a user manual here, but looks like everything is written in Chinese, so may not be that useful for us. And along with that, the company also provides a free complimentary pack of photo printable paper. This pack only has 5 sheets in it, so if you want more, you have to buy them separately. And that is the reason I bought this pack of 50 papers separately. Alright, now let's finally check out the printer. So here it is, the Mi Pocket Photo Printer. Holy smokes, just look at it! It's so compact! Wow, now this is what I call a printer in your palm. Awesome! It's got a very sleek design and honestly it sorta looks like a Mi power bank. It's only 4.88 inches in length and as you can see this thing is quite thin. Nobody would ever believe that this thing is a printer. You've got the Mi logo on the front and that's it, there is nothing else written on it. Just plain glossy white finish everywhere. Over here it says Mi Photo Printer and above that you've got a slot through which the paper comes out after the printing is done. Going to the bottom side, we've got all the controls over here. There's a power button, a micro USB port for charging and some status LED indicators which include a charging indicator and a Bluetooth indicator. Well, that's pretty much it guys, that was our complete overview on it. Now what I'll do is I'll tell you all the specs and details of this printer. The Mi pocket-sized photo printer uses thermal print technology to print photos, using special papers known as Zink papers. Zink stands for Zero Ink technology. It prints photos in 2x3 inch size with a resolution of 313 by 400 and takes around 45 seconds to print one photo. Apart from these regular photos, it also supports AR photos using the Mi Home app. You can upload any voice or video clips while printing, and by scanning that photo at a later time, you can play back those memories on the Mi Home app. And talking about the price, this printer is available for around 6000 rupees on Banggood. Now let me show you how to open this printer and insert all those photo papers. It's very simple to do that. You just need to slide the top cover like this, and there you go. That is how the body opens up. You see this slot over here? This is where we need to place all those photo papers. Above that, there's also a factory reset button. So to install the papers, take all the 5 sheets that we got free with the printer, and you see this orange colored barcode like paper. This is very essential, don't throw it off. It has to be on the bottom of all the printable papers. The printer can support a max of up to 10 sheets at once. So just like this, slide them in properly, close the case, and it's all ready to be used. Just power it on, connect it with the Mi Home app, and start printing your photos. Alright, so that was our unboxing and quick look at Xiaomi's new pocket-sized photo printer. This thing looks really cool, guys. It's very compact. You can just throw it in your pocket and print photos anywhere on the go just using your smartphone. It works via Bluetooth, as I've shown you. You need to use Mi Home app and control this printer to print photos. So the thing is, I'll be using this printer for a few days. I'll print some photos, collect some samples. We'll have to talk about the photo print quality, right? How the colors are and all that. And also, this thing is a battery powered device, so I'll have to see how many photos this thing can print on one single charge. We'll have to see all about that. For that, I need to test it for a few days. So yeah, my review video will be coming up soon. I'll keep this aside. And coming to the other topic, I know you all have been waiting so much for this, the giveaway details. So let me tell you about the giveaway. So as I've told you at the beginning, I've collaborated with Banggood and arranged a special giveaway of worth around 15,000 rupees, guys. So I'll be giving away 3 Xiaomi devices. One is a Xiaomi bed lamp, guys. It's a colorful bed lamp. It's not any ordinary one. It's a smart bed lamp that costs around like 4,000 rupees or something. I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is the first thing. The second thing is I'll be giving away a Xiaomi Smart AI Home, guys. That is what it's called. It's a smart all-in-one AI home screen. So the thing is, it's got a touch screen on it. It's smart, has Wi-Fi, can work as a Bluetooth speaker. You can use it as an alarm clock and a lot of other features. That thing is really cool and costs around like 6,500 rupees or something. You'll have to check out the link in the description box for the exact details. And the final thing that I'll be giving away is Xiaomi's new Bluetooth speaker, guys. It's a powerful outdoor Bluetooth speaker, and this one also costs around like 4,000 rupees or 4,200. So yeah, these are the 3 things I'll be giving away to 3 lucky subscribers, guys. 1 gets each. So yeah, these 3 winners will be picked from the comment section only. Let me tell you the rules to participate in this giveaway. To participate, all you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel. If you're a subscriber, then you've already done the first part. The second thing is you need to follow me on my social media like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below. And the final thing you need to do is, out of those 3 giveaway items, you have to tell which one you would like to win and why. Just write a comment in the comment section, and that's it, you'll be done with all the steps. So this contest will run for about like 10 days starting from today, and the winners will be chosen randomly from the comment section, and Banggood will be shipping the gifts directly to the winners. You will be notified about all that once the contest is over, guys. So that's it for today. I think it's time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you next year.